and launched its greatest ever offensive.
Bila operasi pemulihan keamanan dilaksanakan, sasaran utamamu adalah kekuatan bersenjata separatis GAM.
It's a little-known place at the western edge of Indonesia, whose lonely independence fight made few foreign headlines. Determined to hold its far-flung regions together, Indonesia was sending tens of thousands more troops to battle Aceh's growing guerrilla force. It was one of the world's longest-running wars, and I hoped to cover the fight. For several days, the GAM fighters with me picked off
tempat TNI yang duduk kemarin.
I was nervous. And when the guerrillas opened fire on a single slow-moving military vehicle, I knew trouble lay ahead. The Indonesians soon sprung their own trap, hundreds of soldiers quickly arriving. The boys counterattacked. But the Indonesians were moving to surround us.